Finalizing suffixes. Finalizing suffixes. Okumaliriza obugambo oba ennukuta zetuteeka ewasemba ku kigambo okukifuula ekirala. And if you didn't look at my first video about suffixes, please do. Okay, katumalirize suffixes. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep is S-H-I-P. S-H-I-P. So this sheep, it's used to create nouns that indicate status of something. It is used to create nouns that indicate status of something. Ekola ebigambo ebiraga embeera y'ekintu. So this sheep ekola ebigambo ebiraga embeera y'ekintu. It is added to a base word to show status related to that word. Once again, it's added to a base word to show status related to that word. Remember, we said suffixes work hand in hand with other words. Obugambo buno tebusobola kukola ewatali bigambo bilala, as we saw in the first video. Okay, let's have an example. So sheep, it's used in this way. For example, friend changes to friendship once you add ship at the end. Friend changes to friendship. Omukwano. 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 Citizen to citizenship. Citizen to citizenship. Omutuuze. Obutuuze. Omutuuze. Obutuuze. Leader to leadership. Leader to leadership. Omukulembeze. Obukulembeze. Omukulembeze. Obukulembeze. Nurse. N-E-S-S. Nurse. N-E-S-S. It's also added to an adjective to show state of being. It's also added to an adjective to show state of being. An example, happy to happiness. Happy to happiness. Sad to sadness. Sad to sadness. Soft to softness. Soft to softness. Another one, ing. ing. So this ing is very common since it is mostly used in many of the verbs. For example, work to working. Work to working. Please note, ing is added to a verb to indicate an action happening now. It's added to a verb to indicate an action happening now. Ekola ekikolwa ekiriwo kati. Ekola ekikolwa ekiriwo kati. An example, work to working. Work to working. And we looked at tenses, mainly present continuous tense, where we use ing to verbs. Take to taking. Take to taking. Sit to sitting. Sit to sitting. Okay, let's proceed. En. It's used to turn nouns or adjectives to verbs. En is used to turn nouns or adjectives to verbs. An example, strength to strengthen. Strength to strengthen. Hard to harden. Hard to harden. Remember, we said these suffixes are added at the end of the verb or a noun. For example, hard to harden. So en is placed at the end to form harden. Bright to brighten. Bright to brighten. Ant. Ant. Ant is A-N-T. So this ant is used to create adjectives indicating someone performing the action. It is used to create adjectives indicating someone performing the action. Omuntu akola ekikolwa. Ekozesebwa okukola omuntu akola ekikolwa. For example, applicant, applicant. Another one, assistant, assistant. Remember, it ends with ant, which is ant. So assistant. Another one, lubricant, lubricant. Once again, this ant is used to create adjectives indicating someone performing the action. An example, applicant, assistant, lubricant. Okay, the other suffixes, those were some of the few uncommonly used suffixes. Let's meet up in the next video. Here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Bye bye. Wherever.